In this video, you'll see pictures of different human body parts. Your task is simple: guess the correct name before the timer runs out. Let's see how many you can get right. Are you ready? Let's start. What is this part of the human body? It's an eye, the organ that helps us see. Next one. Can you name this body part? That's a hand. It helps us grab and hold things. Next one. What is this body part called? It's a nose, used for smelling and breathing. Next organ. Can you name this one? That's an ear. It helps us hear sounds. Next one. What is this part of the body? It's a mouth. We use it to eat, talk, and smile. Okay, next move into the medium level quiz. Before start it, like the video. Can you name this body part? It's a shoulder, connecting your arm to your body. Next one. What's the name of this joint? That's an elbow. It lets your arm bend. Next one. What is this body part? It's a knee. It helps you walk and jump. Next organ. Can you name this part? That's a foot. It supports your body when you stand. Next organ. What is this part called? It's a neck, connecting your head to your body. It is the last one of the medium quiz, next hard level. So before start the quiz, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Can you name this internal organ? These are lungs, they help us breathe. What organ is this? It's the heart, it pumps blood through the body. Next one. What is this powerful organ? That's the brain, it controls everything we do. Next one. What part of the body is this? It's the stomach, it helps digest food. Next one. Can you name these two organs? They're kidneys, they clean waste from blood. Next one. What organ is this? That's the liver, it cleans blood and aids digestion. Next organ. What's this long-coiled organ called? It's the intestines, they absorb nutrients. Next one. Can you name this body part? That's the skull, it protects your brain. Next one. What is this structure called? It's the spine, it supports your body. Next one. What are these tissues called? They're muscles, they help us move. We have completed the hard level quiz and 20 quiz questions. Now the bonus level quiz for you. What is the black part in the center of your eye called? It's the pupil, it controls light entering the eye. Next one. What is this part called? It's a fingernail, it protects your fingertips. Next one. What is this part of the mouth? That's the tongue. It helps us taste and speak. Next one. Can you name these white parts? Those are teeth. They help us chew food. Next organ. What's this hair above your eye called? It's an eyebrow. It keeps sweat away from the eyes. The quiz is over. Great job! How many body parts did you name correctly? Share your score in the comments and challenge your friends to beat it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun quiz videos every week.